That is a dog washing station over there. So you can wash your dog after you get them all dirty. And then over there, you can get their nails trimmed, anal glands expressed. So a one-stop shop. And then this is a garden. And this is a cute little doggy. How you doing? How are you? Good looking dog there. Come on, bunny girl. Good girl, Bunny, good girl. Bo is ready to run. Bo will run for 2 hours straight. There's so much to see and smell here. It's the largest off-leash dog park in the state of Washington. All these dogs aren't even on a leash. It's beautiful. You'd think they'd fight? No, they never fight. It's crazy. It's the best place in the world. And people can come and they have land where they can make their own gardens over here. It's pretty cool. And there's a memorial for dogs over there. People can think about their dogs.